Sharifah Mashitah. I'm from SK Tanjung Batu Keramat, Tawau, Sabah, and I'm from Malaysia. The title of my project is Save the Endangered Animal. For the theme, SDG 15 Life on Land. These are the global goals for sustainable development. I chose SDG 15 because I found that the theme is interesting for me. For the theme, I chose animal as my subject. From my research, I found that animals are killed for their skin. Humans use their skin for clothing and decoration. These are among the animals which are killed to satisfy human needs. From this info, it shows that killing animals for satisfying human needs is still ongoing. This situation triggered me to use this opportunity to raise awareness to the community to stop hunting the animals and use synthetic clothing instead. To raise the awareness to the community, I create an animation about it.
Hi, I'm Mashitah. There has been a lot of illegal animal hunting by humans and they're endangered. Humans often hunt animals until they're almost extinct. They're endangered for their skin and horns to make coats, jackets, and decorations. So the solution are to stop the animal hunting and use synthetic clothing. These are the examples of synthetic clothing. What does synthetic clothes mean? Synthetic fabrics are fabrics manufactured in factories using chemical synthesis. Synthetic fibers are made by the joining of monomers into polymers, by the process of polymerization. Let's watch an animation about the endangered animal and why does it being hunted. Grr.
I hope that my video can raise the awareness to the community in order to preserve the life on land. Thank you. Bye.